In this episode, I am going to show you how to download Genymotion and how to install it and how to configure Genymotion with Android Studio. So first you have to download the Genymotion. So open your browser and type Genymotion. Go to the first website. This is the official website of Genymotion. You can download Genymotion from this website. So here you can see there are two options are available for downloading Genymotion. First one is a Genymotion is about 170 MB of size, and second one is get Genymotion without VirtualBox. To run Genymotion you need to install Oracle VirtualBox in your computer. So if you already have Oracle VirtualBox in your computer, you can select the second option, and if you don't have Oracle VirtualBox in your computer, then select the first option. This is Genymotion with Oracle VirtualBox. So here I am going to download this one. Okay, so to download Genymotion from this website, you have to create an account on this website. You can create an account by just clicking the create account button. You have to provide a username, you have to provide a valid email address, and you have to create a profile in this website to download Genymotion. I already have an account in this website, so I am going to log in here. Okay, soon after you log in in this website, your download will start. Here you can see my download is started. Okay, now here we got the Genymotion installer. So now I am going to install Genymotion. So double click the Genymotion installer icon. Yeah, run this one, run this. Click OK, click next, and this is the Genymotion installation path, and click next. Yeah, again this is the name provided on the startup menu, and click next. Now create a desktop icon, again click next. Now click install. Okay, now the Genymotion installation is completed. Now it installing the Oracle VirtualBox. Yeah, click next and next. Create a desktop icon, click next. Yeah, this warning is nothing but when you installing the Oracle VirtualBox, it may create some virtual adapter. This may interfere your network connections of your computer. Don't worry, just click yes and click install. Okay, now the Oracle VirtualBox installation is complete, and click finish. Now the Oracle VirtualBox is started. Now we can launch the Genymotion and click finish. Now here the Genymotion virtual device started, virtual device manager started. So at first time, if you install Genymotion for the first time, it will ask to download some virtual device. You have to download some virtual device from the cloud. So now here there are no virtual device available in this computer, because in this computer I installing Genymotion for the first time. So click yes. So here, yeah, you need to sign in again for downloading virtual devices. So here I'm going to sign in again. Okay, after the successful signing, you can see a lot of virtual devices now currently available on the cloud. You can select any suitable one. So here I am going to download a virtual device with some API 20. Yeah, I select a virtual device with the API. Yeah, this one, custom phone with Android version 4.4. Yeah, select this one and click next. Now here you can see the properties of the virtual device and click next. Now the virtual device is downloading from the cloud. Now this virtual device is about 197 MB of size. You have to wait until the download complete. Okay, now the downloading is completed and now it's deploying the virtual device. Okay, now the virtual device installation and creation is success and click finish. Now in this window you can see the newly created virtual device. Here a custom phone virtual device is created with resolution 768 into 1280. Okay, you can configure the virtual device by clicking this icon. You can configure the virtual device. You can select the number of processors. Here I'm going to select only one processor, and here you can select the memory. Here I set it into 1 GB, and here is the resolution of the screen. Okay, and click OK. Now here I'm going to start the virtual device. For starting the virtual device, just click the start button. Now the virtual device is initialized and it start the virtual device. Okay, now the newly created Genymotion virtual device is started. Wait for some time, it is booting. Okay, now the virtual device is completely loaded. You can see that it is 3 or 4 times much faster than a normal Android virtual device. You can test your Android application 3 to 4 times faster than a normal Android virtual device available with Android SDK. Okay, now the Genymotion installation and the virtual device creation is completed. Now we have to configure the Genymotion with Android Studio. So now this is the time to open Android Studio. I just close all the virtual devices. Now I'm going to start Android Studio. Okay, now we have to download the Genymotion plugin into Android Studio. So the Android Studio is already a built-in option to download the Genymotion plugins. So click the file menu and choose the settings option, and from this window drag down and choose the plugin option. Choose plugin options. You can find it at the bottom. Yeah, here it is. Click the plugin option and in the search box, now go to bottom of the window and here you can see a button called browse for repositories and click that button. Okay, in this window search for Genymotion. Okay, now you can find the Genymotion plugin here. It is not installed. This is an option for downloading and installing Genymotion. So right click it and click download and install option and click yes. Now it installed Genymotion. Now the installation of Genymotion plugin completed and click close. Okay, now here you can see the Genymotion. Now here in the installed plugin you can see the Genymotion. So you have to restart Android Studio to take the Genymotion plugin to work. So I have to restart Android Studio now. Click apply. Yeah, now it asks for restarting Android Studio. Yeah, click restart. Now the IDE is restarted. Okay, now we successfully installed the Genymotion plugin with Android Studio. Now at the toolbar you can see an icon of Genymotion. Here is the Genymotion device manager. Click that one. Okay, now you have to specify the installation directory of Genymotion. So we have to find it out. So it is generally installed in C drive, so go to C drive. Generally it is installed in program files, so open program files, and you can find out a folder named Genymobile. Yeah, here it is. So you can find this folder in C drive and in program files. Open this. This is the installation directory of Genymotion. You have to set this path in Android Studio. So open Android Studio. Now select Genymotion. Now you have to browse for the path. So click browse. It is available in C drive, in program files. In program files there is a folder named Genymobile. Open that folder and select the folder called the Genymotion and click OK and click apply. Now click OK. Now I select the Genymotion device manager again. Now here you can see that now the newly created Genymotion virtual device is here. You can see it in Android Studio. The status is now off. So I am going to start the newly created Android virtual device from Android Studio. So click start. The Genymotion virtual device is now starting from Android Studio. Yeah, now we got the Genymotion virtual device in Android Studio. Now you can test the project done in Android Studio using Genymotion. It is 3 to 4 times much faster than a normal Android virtual device available with the Android SDK. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next part of this tutorial.